Hi, I am D. Sulukmar, third year EEE. Now we can see the case study in the subject of power system analysis. The subject code is EE3501. Now we can see the case study topic about a unified model for the analysis of fact devices in damping power system oscillations. Single machine infinite bus power system. System description. The system under study is a single machine infinite bus system consisting of a synchronous generator connected to an infinite bus through a transmission line. The system parameters are synchronous generator, infinite bus, transmission line. System modeling. The SMIB system is modeled using the following equations. Synchronous generator in synchronous generator, the sync equation is used. Voltage equation, infinite bus. For infinite bus, the voltage equation. For transmission line, voltage drop equation. Objectives of this case study. The objectives of this case study are to analyze the case study behavior of the SMIB system, the investigable, the dynamic behavior of the SMIB system under various disturbances, to evaluate the effectiveness of different control strategies in improving the stability of the SMIB system. Simulation results. The simulation results are presented below. Steady state behavior. The steady state behavior of the SMIB bus is analyzed by simulating the system under various operating conditions. The results show that the system operates stably under normal operating conditions. Dynamic behavior. The dynamic behavior of SMIB system is investigated by simulating the system under various disturbances such as step change in mechanical power input, step change in electrical power input, fault on the transmission line. Control strategies. The effectiveness of different control strategies in improving the stability of the SMIB system is evaluated by simulating the system under various operating conditions. The results show that PSS can be effectively damp the oscillation and improve the stability of the system. Conclusion. The case study demonstrates the importance of analyzing the steady state and dynamic behavior of SMIB system. The results show that the control strategies such as PSS can be effectively improve the stability of the system under various operating conditions. Recommendations. Based on the result of this case study, the following recommendations are made. SMIB system should be analyzed under operating conditions to ensure the stable operation. Control strategies such as PSS should be implemented to improve the stability of the system under dynamic conditions. Thank you.